Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel Biodiversity and Conservation. I am Subalakshmi Raut from Ambika Prasad Research Foundation, Orissa, India, and we are continuing our Birds of India series. This is the seventh part of the series, and today we are going to talk about Orioles of India. So let's start. So, have you ever wondered why these golden birds are called Orioles? Well, I said the answer. Because in Latin, Oriolos was meaning that the golden one. So this word means the golden one, as the Orioles are such golden and yellow birds, so they are called Orioles. Next, there are some interesting facts about Orioles that you must know. Like Orioles are actually insectivorous and frugivorous birds. So they mainly feed on insects and they cannot resist caterpillars. And they love to eat berries, fruits, and sometimes they feed on nectar also. They usually are found in open forests or open woody areas, and they always stay hidden inside the trees and within the leaves, and you can always hear their whistling sound, their calls. So from that you can know that there is a oriole nearby. Next, they are actually engineers because they make masterpieces of nests. Their nest is actually a masterpiece. They build a very round and uh, very beautiful nest for egg laying, and normally they lay 4 to 5 eggs from April to June. That's their breeding season. And Oriole is also the state bird of Maryland. So, if you see the diversity of Orioles in India, we have basically six types of Oriole: Indian Golden Oriole, Black-naped Oriole, Slender-billed Oriole, Black-hooded Oriole, Eurasian Golden Oriole, and Maroon Oriole. So we will see one by one. So the first one is Indian Golden Oriole, which is scientifically known as Oriolus gundo, and we can find these birds in open wooded country. And as I have said, they are very bright yellow in color. So the male have generally fleshy pink bill and red iris and small black eye patch and golden yellow head and body, black wings with yellow primary coverts and yellow and black tail. And the female is slightly different than the males, and you can see their yellowish green upper parts with brownish olive wings. They are duller in appearance than male, and they have a yellow tail with whitish underparts and black streaking. So this, these all Orioles are actually least concerned according to IUCN status. Next is black-naped Oriole. Uh, this bird is generally found in the forest canopy or in the plantation areas, and the male have a strong pinkish bill, red iris, and broad black mask and nape, and the wings and tail are black and the body is yellow. So from the eye mask you can distinguish this bird from others. uh, and the female is actually more greenish in color, mantle color, and they are mostly they are feeding on fruits and insects. Next is slender-billed oriole. So this bird is mainly seen in moist lowland and well-wooded areas, and we can see the male slightly down curved and long and slender bill, and narrow black band across the eye, and we can see the yellow underparts with black wings and tail, and the female are generally duller in appearance and have dull black nape band and pale yellow head and underparts with olive yellow underparts. And next is black-hooded oriole. So this bird can be seen in open forests and well-wooded areas, and we can also generally identify this bird with some field characters like the male have red bill with blackish crown and nape, contrasting with predominantly yellow plumage, and some black in the wings and tail also. And the female is greenish, is duller and have greenish yellow underparts. And we can see these birds generally feeding on insects, fruits, and berries and flower nectar. And their nesting season is from April to July. Next is Eurasian golden oriole. These birds can also be found in the open forest and well-wooded areas, and these birds can be identified because of the bright golden yellow um, body with black wings and tail, and a black streak through the eye, and the female are duller and greener in color, and they are generally found singly or in pairs among the leafy trees in the wooded country. And their nesting season is also from April to July, and they mainly lay 2 to 3 eggs. So, maroon oriole. This bird is generally seen in evergreen forests, and the male have bluish gray bill, pale yellow iris, glossy maroon rump, vent, and tail, with black head, neck, breast, and wings. And the females, they are slightly different with underparts whitish with maroon gray streaks. And these birds also nest from April to July, and they mainly lay 2 to 3 eggs, which are pinkish white dotted with black or reddish brown color spots. And this is all from me today. Thank you for listening.